Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily remove emoji from your video projects in CapCut. Before we start, I made this video for you are new to this application for video editor especially. Let's start by opening one of your project. If you had project that have emoji on your video, you can erase, you can redo by tap the project first. This one, as you can see, there is smile emoji on my video. There is no yellow bar under or like overlay in this video, but don't worry, just tap on the blank space. As you can see, there is a text icon here. You can tap the text icon, this one, the orange bar that contain emoji. So you can erase this by tap this cross icon, and done. The emoji is gone now. So if you want to add emoji or another text or fonts, you can tap again the blank space and tap add text. So you can add your fonts or effect or even a animation here. But pay attention, there is a pro one. You have to be a pro on of your account in CapCut account. Try to search the free one or just try to type a simple text. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.